Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Ruco F11 Foldable GPS Drone. With a 4K UHD camera infused with shock absorption that reduces blurriness and provides you with a clear and stable image in 4K via the app. With a 90 degrees adjustable camera with a 120 degree FOV lens, this is one of the best drones on the market. Durable alloy brushless motors provide a fast, quiet, and powerful flight, with level 6 wind resistance and speeds up to 12 meters per second. A dual GPS system, one in the drone and one in the controller, activates the ability of pressure altitude hold and keeps the drone moving accurately, and both of them work together to generate stable images. The rechargeable energy battery has a maximum play time of 30 minutes, consumes little power, and is simple to replace. Its quick heat dissipation, overcharging, and overheating protection ensure safe use. 4 LED lights on the battery module indicate the current power level to remind you to recharge, avoid missing the drone, and ensure your fun time. The exclusive app provides a simple and intuitive user experience. Simply take a few steps to begin your flight adventure. App includes GPS Auto Return Home, GPS Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Point of Interest Flight, Gesture Photographing, one button for taking off or landing, and so on. All of them make it easier and more convenient to fly the drone, making them suitable for both novice and experienced pilots. Number 2 in this best drone under 300 list is Holystone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone. The HS720 Foldable GPS Drone in first position in our article as it fits right into the list and offers premium quality specifications for the price. The camera quality is absolutely crisp as it offers 2K video capturing with 2048 by 1152 resolution. Along with that, the camera housing has dedicated shock absorbers for delivering great image stabilization with super smooth transitions. Moreover, the 90 degrees tilting camera and 5 GHz FPV transmission, it becomes easier to see the world from various angles. Its sturdy build and foldable design make it more suitable to carry and withstand shocks and drops. Because of the 2.4 GHz transmitter, the controller can keep you connected to the drone even if it's 3,000 feet away. It also has a plethora of useful features, such as optical flow positioning, which allows it to smoothly hover over a specific location. Aside from that, the custom flight feature allows you to program a trajectory for the drone to follow, or you can simply record yourself moving while using the Follow Me mode. You can enjoy all of these features for a long time because the built-in battery can keep the drone flying for nearly 26 minutes. If the battery runs out or the drone loses signal, the GPS Return Home feature will automatically bring it back to you. Let's watch more. Our third choice is DJI Mini SE drone. The compact yet powerful DJI Mini SE is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. The lightweight and powerful DJI Mini SE camera drone is the ideal for creators on the move. The ultra-portable design allows you to effortlessly capture moments in unforgettable ways. Weighing less than 249 grams, DJI Mini SE is roughly the same weight as the smartphone. In the United States and Canada, you can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the local government. DJI Mini SE's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer drones on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. DJI Mini SE supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear ultra-smooth footage. DJI Mini SE can resist 29 to 38 km/h winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Fourth pick in this best drone under 300 list is DJI Mavic Mini. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds by 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. In the United States and Canada, you can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the government. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. Weighing under 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. This makes it exceptionally portable and places it in the lowest and safest weight class of drones, which in many countries may exempt it from certain regulations. Aircraft takeoff weight includes battery, propellers, and a microSD card. The new DJI Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience, enabling you to create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It even has flight tutorial, a feature to help you get started with Mavic Mini quickly and safely. Our fifth and last choice is Holystone HS120D GPS drone. This model HS120D includes GPS, a separate battery charger, improved stability, and several new video making options. It's a significant improvement over the previous version, and most users are pleased with the changes. The specially designed backpack can carry everything for HS120D, allows you to take this drone anywhere, incredibly convenient for travel and outdoor capture high-definition footage and directly save to your smartphone. Gesture control, pose to the camera, you can take automatically generated photos and videos, share it instantly with friends on social media. GPS assisted flight, it can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power, never have to worry about flying it away. The drone can trace and automatically follow you, let you focus on the moment, take a good selfie. Besides, it will fly as you want once you set a unique path. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times, easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. For details, let's watch more.